What's up? What's up? Hello. Hi. Yeah. Surprise. I decided to stream finally. It took me some time to find some time. Hi. Hope you all are doing well. Yeah. Let's say hi to the people in the live chat room right now. Crypto, you're first up. Welcome. Usually it's Donald, but hey, you jumped on it. Awesome. Donald, Steven, Ethan. What is up? What is up? Hashtag Bell Squad, right? What are we doing tonight? I wanted to finish up my site, but also, idea from Chris Cannon. He's like, why don't you start helping people on your stream, you know? Like, why don't you like take some questions, and then like if someone has a issue or something with their site, see if you can help them. I'm like, oh yeah, good idea. Simple. That's what I do all the time at work anyways. And so yeah, might as well help. Well, dude, with the first question. Okay, here we go. Does Webflow e-commerce have a customer login component? The answer to that is no. Let's see here. If you go to wishlist.webflow.com, right over here, user login and membership functionality. In the backlog, we are looking into this. But there's two. If you want to use custom code, Auth Pro or something like that. Auth Pro Webflow. Who did this? Yeah, Micah. He's part of the customer success team too. He wrote this blog post. I'll put it in the chat room right now for you on how to get Auth Pro working with Webflow. There's a lot of custom code and a couple of steps you got to do, but he spells it out right here. So maybe this will work. Check it out, research it, and see if it works for you. But again, this is not a native Webflow thing, so you know we can't really support it. But good luck. Philip, what's up? Welcome. Other things about Webflow, some news. E-commerce came out, huh? Hopefully you guys are having fun with it. It's so freaking cool. I still need to learn all the ins and outs of it, what it can do. Philip actually did a cool thing. Oh my gosh, let me show you. Where'd you put it, Philip? Where'd you put it? In e-commerce? Where'd you put it? It's a Zoom thing. Let me do Zoom. Hello. Zoom. There it is. Look at what Philip did. What? No. Where are you? There you are. Philip. My man. Look what he did with e-commerce. Look Look at this. Look at this. No custom code. Actually, yeah, let's dive into this one real quick. Let's dive into this. How did you do this, Philip? How did you do it? Let's go look. And you're letting people clone it. You are awesome. All right, let's see here. Open in Webflow. Let's do this. Philip, what did you do? All right, products template. Okay, we got that. All right, so interaction is green. Okay, so what does it do? Okay, let's see here. Mouse click, reg main. So what does this do? This. All right, that's easy. It shows in Flexbox. Okay, so it hides all the other things, but it shows the. Okay, all right, I'm feeling it. So it's kind of like a modal. All right, so this is the same thing as showing a modal. You know, that's cool. And then where's the other goodness? Right here. This goodness right here. That's what I thought. So when I first saw this, you know, I was like, how did he do it? And I didn't even look at this. Like, this is my first time looking at the read-only link. And then it didn't dawn on me until I was just eating a snack and I was like, crunch, crunch, crunch. And I was like, oh my God, that's easy. He's using mouse effects on one element, but he's affecting another. Genius. So look what he's doing. He's affecting. So this is image main, but this is zoom image main. So wherever he's mousing around in here, he's affecting a different element. Simple. It's so simple. Oh my God. Yeah. So here. I'll show you. I'll show you real quick. I'll break it down for you guys. So zoom main. Let's look at the layers right here. Zoom wrapper. Okay. Zoom main. See this one right here. If you show it. Oh, you actually had to put a. Okay. Where is it? How come we can't see it? Maybe it's the zoom wrapper. Ah, there it is. There it is. Look at that. See, all he's doing. Oh, okay, I get it. See, oh, that's the huge image, and that's why he made it so big. Okay, cool. And so if you just move this around, all he's doing is on mouse movement. He's just moving it around. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Good job, Philip. Good job. If you haven't seen it yet, here you go. Link to it. Give it a heart. Also give it a like. Let me give it a like too. And I like it. I really like this. Very clever. Boom. Posted. Enjoy. Yeah. Cool. All right. Sorry, I went like tangent because I saw Philip and then I was talking about e-commerce and then I got all like, oh my God. But yeah. Yeah. It's those simple little interactions that get me, you know, like, because there's like all these things you would have had to code back in the day before Webflow. Especially before Webflow e-commerce. And then now it's like so easy. You just got to sit there and think about it. And the simplest solution will come to you. It's nice. It's nice. I like those little things. All right. What else? Yeah, so I want to try to make more progress on my own site, but also help you guys out. So this could be also not really a support hour, but maybe a time for, I guess it's support hour, with me to help you out if you have any questions about Webflow, or if you have any blockers in your design. You're like, oh, I can't really do this. How do I do this? I'll help you out. Is this too bright? Okay. Making my eyes squint. All right, cool. So this one guy on the forum, let's see here. Let me see, can I bring it here? He says, I'm totally stumped. So yeah, he's totally stumped. I'm having Crypto saying I'm having issues with my fab button disappearing. Okay, let me help you. Let me help Codeman, and then I'll help you, Crypto. And then once we're done with all the questions and whatnot, we can go ahead and work on my site. So yeah, hope you're doing well. I am doing well. Thank you. Video on horizontal scrolling. Okay. Having problems. Okay, here's my thread in interactions. Please help. Let's see here. 7 hours ago. All right, let's see here. Where's this stuff? Oh, wow. Okay. Whoa, this Gilson really went detailed. Yeah, you're supposed to use position sticky. Yeah, okay. Well, let's see what he's working with. Okay, Codeman, I don't know if you're watching or not, but I did send you a link to my stream, so if you're not watching, this one's for you. Okay, so you can totally tell he's using a Webflow template, because yeah, this is totally a template. All right, so when it comes to LinkedIn, okay, never mind. I was gonna say I don't even know where to go because he's using template. Okay, so scroll. Let's see here. Let's see what's going on. Whoa, he's using that easing too much. It's so slow. First thing, I would definitely slow that down. Slow that down, man. Let's see here, animation container while scrolling in view. Yeah, your smoothing really needs to go down. Let's just go back to 50. Go back to 50. You don't need that much slowness. Whoa. Oh wow. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Sorry. Whoa. That was too much. Okay. I know you want to do something cool, but this, and I'm gonna tell it to you straight. Okay. You're Michael Baying it. Okay. There is really, okay, when I say Michael Baying it, I mean you're using interactions, you're using animations and whatnot that doesn't really help tell the story. Okay? So right here, your first page, if this is your first page, restaurant, awesome features. Okay. Already, I don't know the story. To me, if this is like a Yelp competitor, you got to really sell it to me. You need to explain on the first page why this is much better than Yelp. Okay? Yeah. And when I say Michael Baying with the interactions, I mean, how does this horizontal scrolling and those animations help explain your the reason for this page? Okay, so yeah, I'm more confused about what you're trying to sell me, and the animations make it more confusing. You can something much simpler than this. I would not do a horizontal scroll. I know I was gonna help you with this, but from a UX point of view, this is me helping you from my honest opinion. Okay, I would just, if you need something done really quick, I would just leave the cutout of this phone, right? Make it a transparent PNG, but inside of it, put the screenshot of each of your apps. Okay, it seems like you have different apps. You have a restaurant, you have a beauty salon, coffee shop, and a travel agency. exclusively designed for every business model. Yeah, I'm not understanding what's going on. But if this is like you're customizing apps for different industries, yeah, the easiest thing I would say is just cut out the image inside of the phone, leave it transparent PNG, and then just scroll. As you scroll down, the background changes, and also the phone, the screenshot changes. Or even better yet, inside of the phone, have a video of the app being used. It's kind of like on Webflow. If you go to webflow.com, this is our app being used, right? And I've seen a bunch of app sites do this where like they're in a phone and it's in context, okay? So I would scrap the horizontal scroll. It's not helping. So there's my honest opinion. I'm just gonna give you that. But good luck with it. Good luck. All right, crypto. I'm gonna be real with you. I'm gonna be real. So what's going on? I'm having issues with my fab button disappearing. Let's see here. Fab buttons disappearing. Okay. Fab button disappearing. Let me go to your site. Wait, are you sure you want to leave YouTube? What? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, because I dragged it in from the chat room. Okay. So, floating action button is a fab. Where are these supposed to be your floating action buttons? Okay. Did you want me to review this? It shows up in preview. I don't on tablet. Okay, cool. Or mobile. I'm guessing it's these. Hold on. Go to site. Inspect. Do that. It's not showing up on there now. Whoa. Is this on purpose? The glitch effect? That's not really cool on mobile. It's okay. I'm confused, crypto. Okay, so it shows up when I preview. I'm not sure what you're talking about. Okay, I'm having issues with my fab button disappearing. Ah, right here, this one. Okay, why isn't it appearing? All right, let's see here. This is how I usually. Okay, this is how I debug stuff. So I double check everything. So if you have a fab wrapper, so I always check: is there a parent element? If so, then could this be causing it? All right, see here. Okay, and then I check the settings, make sure that the visibility. So you've set the visibility to tablet and phone only. That's cool. All right, so that's not really a problem. If I press preview, I don't see it. Okay, let's go ahead and is this on all devices? Sure. Okay. Okay, so it's showing. That's good. Now, next thing is it has a trigger. Okay, so one of these triggers are causing it to, there it is. There's your problem. See all of these? Exclamation point means that these interactions aren't being applied to an element. So you have to right click each one, click change target, and then go to your navigator, and then click on whatever one is supposed to be it. I'm guessing it's this. Hey, click. Change target. Fab wrapper? I don't know. Yeah. I had menu items and deleted them. Didn't delete the actions. Oh, okay. So maybe that's it. You need to fix this. That could be the problem. And then this also has another trigger. Yeah, this has another trigger right here. Okay, so that's That makes sense. Careful with this one. I'm not sure if these really make sense. Again, with great power comes great responsibility. If you're going to use animation, if you're going to use interaction, does it help tell the story? Does it help explain the brand? If you're just doing it just to do it, there's no reason behind it, then don't do it at all. Okay? I'm just going to be very straight with you. This does not explain what Scenic City Media means. Going back to Webflow, because I love my boy Ryan. Him and JP just do some crazy stuff. All right. So why the preloader? Because they want to tell people that these are the 3 things that Webflow does. And that's why it's like 1, 2, 3. Why does this background video zoom in? Because these 3 things explain this. All right. So immediately I can tell you the meaning for each of these things. And I've never been in the marketing meeting for this page. Okay. You scroll down. Why do these go to opacity like 20% or something while this one stays at 100? It's because this is the first section. Design is first section. Why do these scroll up? So on and I can tell you the story. I can tell you the background of each of these animations. Okay, so careful with the animations. Use them wisely. But yeah, honestly, for this one right here, get rid of it. Get rid of it. Don't need it. Okay. This right here. Now I'm just gonna go to. I'm just gonna review your site right now. You're getting a free. You're getting not free. You're getting a UX review. All right. I want to make sure that you're going the right path, because when it comes to websites, it's story, story, story. Because websites, at the heart of a website is words. Everything starts with words. All right. So here, awesome words. Welcome to. I wish that stayed on the page. I wish it didn't slide down, because that one screen already made me go, what is that? I wonder. I want to know more about this. Let's see here. Like, if you had your site like this, let's turn this off. Turn this off. Let's just get it off. Get it off. Turn everything off. Okay. If you had something like this and had some sort of like the background faded from black to a background video, or even the background video had an opacity of like 10% or something. Like, is there a background to this? If I remove this, what happens? Oh god, I love this already. Watch this. Oops, let's just do that, right? And then I'm gonna get some sort of like background video from cover or something. Like, get something into this. Okay, what is this telling me? Welcome to Scenic Cities. Okay, it's a city. So something urban, like a city, like what is it? Scenic City. So probably no. Let's just do, yeah, let's do this. That's cool. Download for free. Got you. Okay, and that's mine. Oh, I can't upload. But you know what I mean? Like, if you had this playing in the background, right? Looping. If you had that in the background looping, but the opacity was 20% or something, and then this is on top, and actually the background video would be 100% opacity, but the background of this would be black but opacity like 80%. Like, man, right then and there, it's like, okay, it's kind of telling me a story already. And then if you can add some sort of tagline or something, like what does this mean? Like, this was smaller or something, and then had big words like, I got the best agency like ever. Like, that already tells me some story, you know, a better copy. I'm not a content writer, but you know what I mean. And impact is old school. I'm telling you now, unless impact is what you guys use, which this right here, this one isn't impact and this one isn't impact, so I wouldn't even, yeah, that would go to your brand guidelines. But yeah, okay, I'm done. Whew, I went far with that one. Let's see here. Getting on chat. Only first 2 pages done. That's actually how I had it before I made the load animation. Okay, yeah. So good luck on it. And again, it's tell a story. Tell your story first. That's what makes a site really good. Not a problem. Not a problem. All right. Okay, next one. Mubarak. Okay, this has been frustrating me. Let's go here, go to site. All right, this has been frustrating me. Oh, is that you? Hi. Cool. I used to watch Recess. For some reason, the quality of my image on the portfolio was lowered after I published. 248. I don't think it's lowered. I think the ratio. Yeah, I think the ratio is broken. There we go. So either do height 100% or width 100%, not both, because when you do both, you lose ratio. Okay, so just do it like that, and you'll be good to go. But this is a good start. This is a good start. I like this. Let's preview it. Nice. You're doing sticky. Oh, cool. You're doing sticky. Sticky nav. Is this based off a template, or this is all you? I like these. Oh no. If you scroll down to void the project. Okay, I'm here. Is this all your stuff? All? All right. Oh, look at this. It's squishing. Why? It's not a background image? There it goes. See? Again, just remove. There you go. I think you... Okay, don't use inline. Easier way. Remove it. And just go project link. And if this is like void project, and then you can set your background image to cover, and that'll save you. That'll do the thing. Oh, I used object fit. Oh, you're doing some of that custom code stuff. Look at you, looking at me, looking at you. What? I don't see it. Unless it's in here. Did you do some custom code? I don't see it. So what Mubarak is talking about is this new CSS thing, object fit. Let's go CSS tricks. Oh, at the top? Where's your code? I don't see your code. Oh, duh, right there. So there's this new CSS called Object Fit where it'll do the thing kind of like background cover. But it'll do it with inline images. So yeah. Here, I'll paste the link. Let's see here. It doesn't work for Edge? Ooh, yeah. I'd wait on this if this is a client site or something. Actually, I'd wait on it until Edge gets it. What's wrong with you, Edge? Let's see. Yeah, Edge. Yeah, ooh, Edge 18 isn't even out yet and no support. But everyone else does. Come on, Microsoft. Okay. Interesting. Hey, Baguette, what's up? What he wants. I'm not sure what he wants. Not sure what you mean by that question. But, the project gets image lowered. So, if, image quality is getting lowered, what you can do, is, ooh, wow, a meg. Yeah. A meg is too high. And I think because it's an inline image, we compress it down. And here's what we do. Is it Command Shift O? Haha, look at this. Command Shift O or Control Shift O shows this thing right here for inline images. So if you don't want us to do the responsive image stuff, click that. But please, a meg. 1 whole megabyte. That's too big. I can't trust Pingdom anymore, but let's see what's going on. So the thing about Pingdom that's happening that I've seen some trouble tickets on is Pingdom says, "Oh, your site's on Webflow and it doesn't use -1." Whoa, that's not right. What just happened? Oh, because let's try it again. Put in the full URL. Come on. I'll show you why we can't really trust Pingdom anymore. Oh, you got an A. Did they fix it? Oh, they did fix it. Okay. Because over the week, they were giving people who are hosted on Webflow an F for this. And we're like, what? Because you guys are on Fastly if you host on Webflow. So they fixed it. Okay. Page size 2 meg. Not bad. Okay. Just, yeah, careful with your image size. I mean, you can totally make it smaller. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Hopefully that helps. Bogat, Nelson, can you help me? Because I also have problems. Let's make a charity stream. This is what I'm kind of doing right now. Yeah. Throw your question up there. Throw your question in live chat. I'll get to it. But, yeah, maybe I should just change the name of this stream. Like, let's help you out. Yeah, show me what you got, Bogat. I want to see your work. All right, and remember, I'm gonna give it to you straight, and I'm doing it because I care. I do it because I care about the web. I want to make sure that you're making the web beautiful, as I say. Let's see here. All right, while I'm waiting for that, let's go ahead and finish up what I was doing. So this piece of, just kidding. It kind of is. I'm always my own worst critic, right? So this is where I ended off in last stream. And I said, what am I going to do here? And the grid is not working out right. And da-da-da-da-da. And rabble. Yeah, we'll fix it. So what I did before I started streaming is I just downloaded Font Awesome, uploaded it as a custom font, and now I'm here. So let's get to it. Let's see here. My first thing I want people to go to is my YouTube channel, because that's what I'm doing now. Trying to be a streamer. So let's go ahead, and all these social links will be FA Brands. That's the font that I uploaded. That's Font Awesome Brands. All right, and let's go ahead and put text inside of it. This text is going to be YouTube. We'll get this one. And so you just go to it, scroll down to, there it is. You copy the glyph, go back to Webflow, and that's how you use font. Awesome. Cool. Not too hard. So I'm centering that in the box, making it white, removing the underline. All right. I don't think I need the boxes anymore, huh? Let's do 20, 26. No, 2020. Remove that. Cool. All right. So now it's just copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. All right. Next would be my Twitters. All right. This guy right here. Copy. Pasta. That easy. Cody, Codeman. Yeah, I already answered the question. I think you can rewind to the beginning. Yeah. And again, I'm just to let you know, I was being real. I was being very real. Okay? Because I want to set you up for success. You know. So there we go. Let's go. What else do I got? Insta. If I just put Insta, cool, because that's what all the kids call it now, right? Yo, you on Insta? And then linked. There's no kids that call it. Yo, you on linked? I doubt that'll be a thing. That'll never be a thing. I don't think it can be a thing. No dribble. Oh yeah, I have dribble. Okay, let me just replace this with drip. Do I want LinkedIn? I'm hardly on LinkedIn. All right, I'm gonna replace LinkedIn with dribble. And I spelled dribble wrong. Oh, okay, there you go. Because dribble has 3 B's. Because they're cool. Oops. Yeah. And if you've never been to my dribble account, you should follow me. Because it's pretty cool. There you go. Whoa. Sean Marsh followed me. That's cool. Sean Marsh. Oh, no, I was thinking Stan Marsh in my head. All right. Cool. Cool. Get this off. So I'll just link those later. That's really simple. Or should I do it now? Might as well, since I'm here. Boguette, where's your links? And also, Cody, if you have any other questions, now's the time. This is, you know, I want to make these streams more helpful. YouTube.com/geek. And then twitter.com/thepixelgeek. I can't rewind, lol, dang. Oh, okay. Well, you'll see it anyways, but too long, didn't watch yet. Nix the horizontal scroll. Nix it. Start over and tell a story first. Okay? And again, and this is for everyone, and I go through this too. When you start over, you haven't wasted any time. All you did was learn something new, and you're coming at it from a different perspective. Okay? So yeah, when you watch the recording, you'll understand. Chris, what is up? How are you? Thank you again for the idea to help people even more on my stream. So yeah, that's what I did. Yeah, I was going to insert it in the page after I introduced it. Oh, yeah. I read that. Sorry, Cody. So you're trying to do the Webflow thing where you're trying to do the still I wouldn't do the horizontal scroll. It's much too confusing. I would do something simpler. Like here, I always go back to this old site, history of animation.webflow.io. This is a very old Webflow site. This site was made using Interactions 1, all right? And it's storytelling, it's brilliant, and I love it, okay? It's using simple interactions like this. But the part that I really want to show you is the overlapping. And this is something that you may try to do, Cody, in your client's site. Watch this. And if anyone's been a fan of Webflow for a long time, you have seen this site over and over and over. But check this out right here. He's explaining cell animation. So that's a huge GIF right there that just happened. Wait. That's not even a GIF. No. See? That was Interactions 1. And he took one layer and then took one image and then put another image behind it. I can't get to it. But yeah, another image behind it, and then, yeah. But this is the part, right here. These are just background images, and the section is 100% viewport height. Now check this out. You're going to the next section that has a different background image, but it looks like it's filling up the cell with color. It's not. It's just two different images. But yet, the storytelling is super impactful. Okay? They wouldn't do this in cartoons anymore. But yeah. And then little touches like this. Like, come on, look at that. Static, GIF. Static, GIF. Static, GIF. See, it's the little things that make the biggest impacts. All right, so hopefully that helps. And I know we do some crazy stuff on the Webflow homepage, and I'll go to it again. And there's a horizontal scroll ish because it's kind of diagonal, but the horizontal scroll right here. This is explaining different types of sites you can build on Webflow, but the animation isn't too crazy. It's not horizontal scrolling, it's diagonal, but it works. Boget, yes. Go ahead and send it. Send your link. Put your link in the chat room. Let's get it. All right, so I got my Twitters. And if your client is the one who's saying, no, I want horizontal scroll, if that's where it comes to education, you know, that's when you have to educate your clients and be like, yo, look, what's the main purpose of this animation? What is the main goal of your brand? What is the main goal of the site? And if they can't explain clearly why they need horizontal scroll, then they don't really need it. Have a link too. Sure, send it over. Send the links. Send the links. Send all the links. Where's my dribble? I don't even know what my dribble is. I know I linked it in the chat room. Okay, found it. Boget, team page. Got it. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Team. Okay. All right, there's a lot of interaction. If you click on the employee a second time, there's no reanimation of elements. All right, Boguette, let's go. All right, is there something supposed to be here at the top? That's my first question. Okay. You said a lot of animation. There's not much. I like this. Nice and subtle. I like this, the bottom. That's cool. That bottom line. I like it. I like it. Here we go. First one. Click. What? Okay, it is a lot of animation. Here we go. Okay. So that's a link for us. That's pretty small. All right, how do I close it? Close? See, you need a close interaction. If you're still working on this, totally get it. Totally get it. Border button. Here? Huh? What? Where's that border button? Oof. Careful. Careful with your naming. Make sure that you're actually naming them. Unless you're just prototyping right now and then you'll rename them later. Totally understand. But careful. I don't know where border button is. If you actually named it border... Whoa. If you named it border button. And I'm saying whoa because of the naming. 325. Yeah. That one. Okay. So how do I... What does 325 look like? 0. What? 3, 2, 4. What does this do? Mouse click, test team. Click out. Okay, so that little thing is the one that... Wait, I messed it up, the thing. Let me refresh. All right, Boguette. Let's see here. All right, so I'm going to click here, and this is the thing that's supposed to click out. Okay. It works. That is a lot of interactions. Proud of you for doing that. That's insane. And we're gone. Is this what you're talking about? Oof. Okay, so for me to go through this and try to debug it, the first thing it like goes through my mind is the naming. It's the naming is gonna just make you confused. I would strongly suggest naming everything. That way you can have a clearer mind on what's going on. Because, let me just take a look. Ooh, that's a lot. Yeah. I'm going to be honest, Boguette. I'm not going to debug this. I'm not going to debug this. Because when everything is named numbers, it's hard to understand completely what each thing is doing. Okay? Because I'll get lost. I'm jumping in here without knowing where this project started. And this is where my my article on UX Kitchen comes in. Okay? This is, I always say, run the team like a high class restaurant. Okay, so here we go. And I've said this in other streams, and I wrote an article about it, but I'm just gonna say it right now because this is a great example. And what I mean is, I'll just do the short version. At high-class restaurants, you have 4 things. You have your ingredients, you have your kitchen, you have your wait staff, and then you have your dining room. Okay, so your ingredients, that's the equivalent to your content, your imagery, your videos, your brand style guide. Those are your ingredients. Okay, if you have bad ingredients, there is no way that your chefs, your line cooks, your chefs are going to be able to prepare great food, a great dish, and give it to someone and sell it and have them eat it. No, it's never going to happen. It starts with great content, great fresh ingredients. Second is your kitchen. If your kitchen isn't clean, you're like the tools, where all your kitchen tools are, if they're placed and organized, or pans are in the right place and whatnot, everyone knows where to go to use a certain tool, or the kitchen is like just really dirty and disorganized, it's gonna take a long time for the staff, the kitchen, the chefs to actually create that good food. Even if you have great content, even if you have great fresh ingredients, it's gonna take a long time to get the food out the door. Okay, and this right here is what I call a disorganized kitchen. Okay, with all the elements not being named correctly. Because example, if say baguette, and I'm just using it as an example because I care about you, I want you to succeed. Okay, so if say you have a colleague, right? Say I'm your colleague and I'm covering for you because you're sick. You know, you took a week off because you're sick. Totally understand. So I got to get in here and I got to hit the deadline because the deadline is coming. I'm coming in here and the kitchen is dirty. I don't know where anything is, but I need to make great food out of this. How? It's going to take me a long time. And so I may have to cut corners, and next thing you know, the dish probably won't taste as good as it should be. So you got to care about the organization of your elements. Okay, you got to care about the organization of what you do on Webflow. Okay, and then the last two parts, the dining room, you gotta make sure that your front end design looks good and that people know where to go, the UX of the site, like, oh, I know where to click. Or when you go into a restaurant, there's like some signage or some way to say, oh, here's where the bathroom is, or something. It's like, oh, okay, that's easy, you know. And then lastly, the wait staff. If your website takes longer than 6 seconds to load, people are gonna bounce. So same thing with restaurants. When don't you hate it when you're waiting for the check to come and you're like, come on, I want to pay, I want to get out of here, I'm done. Or even waiting for the menu so you can start ordering, right? So if the wait time is too long, you're bouncing, or you're gonna leave a bad Yelp review. So same thing with websites. All right, that's one of the talks I want to bring around the country. UX Kitchen. I kind of learned that by binge watching Kitchen Nightmares on Netflix with my wife, and I was like, it makes sense. It totally makes sense. What Chef Ramsay is doing, he's caring about the restaurateurs and he wants them to succeed. But that's why he's yelling at them, because they don't get it and they're so stubborn, because they're like, no, I don't want to fire my executive chef. He's been my friend for so long, or something like that. But yet that's the problem right there. So like, I get it. I get it, chef. You're awesome. Chuck P, welcome to the stream. Can you use HT access with Webflow? Answer is no, because if you're hosting on Webflow, we give you access in a different way. If you want to do like 301 redirects, you can do that through the app, the Webflow app. If you want to host on your own, you can export the code and you can do your own HT access on a different server. All up to you. Okay. Oh, more links. Cody. What's up? Let's see here. What did you want me to see? Damon John, who owns Fubu, for us, by us, had some simple horizontal scrolling. I feel like it just breaks up the normalcy and what's expected into something interesting. Okay, let's see here. Let's see here. Where's my scroll bar? What? I'm scared. I don't... Okay, so I have a section thing here. What? Why? Ugh, I don't like it. Ugh. It's Twitch. Yeah, stop it. Okay. It's twitchy. I don't like that. Something is broken. Okay. The fact that there's no scroll bar makes me uneasy as well. Because I never know how far down I am, but then again I have this, so it confuses me because I did. No. Okay. Oh, I'm surprised he doesn't have a cookie thing or something. Alright, anyways, moving on. Where's the horizontal scroll? It's broken! You have so much money, Damon! Just pay someone to fix this! Oh! Why? I know clicking harder is not gonna fix it. What just happened? I know I can just scroll down. I know. But if you have this thing and it works for the if it works for here, that means it should work for all of them. All right. Let's take a bet. How many people think that... Let's take a poll. Let's take a poll. No, I can't do a poll because it's not fair. WordPress? Shopify? Why would you... Oh, because he's selling... Yeah, he's selling his book. That makes sense. Or... Oh, I thought that was a book. See, what? Is that a book? No, it's a downloadable thing. Why would you do this to me? Like, you're on Shark Tank. You have monies. You have super businesses. You're awesome. Great job. You're doing the grind. You're doing the work. But your website says differently. But I need a good I need a good photography shot. I need a good headshot or something like this. Okay. Anyways, let's scroll down. Let's find out what you're talking about. Okay. You don't need it. You don't need the horizontal scroll. You don't need it. You don't need it. You don't need it. And his name is in the image. Oh my... I could have been an H1. Who linked this? Who made my... Cody! Cody! Man. All right, I'm a UX review this right now. All right. Or I'm gonna nitpick. I'm nitpicking because he has the resources. He has the resources. I'm not gonna say money. I'm gonna say he has the resources. He knows people that can make websites. He knows. He knows people who can edit sites. So, Learn from this. Learn from this, everyone. This does not need to be in the image. This could be a live text H1. This right here definitely needs to be a live text H2 because he's from Shark Tank. What's his H1? Is this his H1? That's his H2. Tell me as H1. Oh, it's because it's... Wait. Oh, okay. His H1 is his name. Okay, his H1 is his name, but it's a... Okay, okay, you got me there. You got me there. I guess that counts for SEO. Does this count? Yeah. All right, anyways. This glitchy thing needs to be fixed. The left nav going over your name, you need to fix that. This feels very weird because I understand the type that's going next to his face. Totally get that. But then this leaves this weird space right here. Like, what? Nelson, go on Shark Tank and tell him his website sucks. Yeah, no. I'm not going to waste my time to get there. 2, I'm not going to waste my money to get there. And 3, I have no money. He does. So, I mean... Just learn from this. Just learn from this. He doesn't, if anything, he doesn't need a website. You know? This is just a side thing for him. Like, if anything, he can just have a link to, like, his picture right here, and then, like, a couple of links or something here, and it's just one page and one section, you're done, because you already know who he is. Anyways, moving on. Do you need this parallax scrolling stuff? Not really. Doesn't really tell the story, but it's all... I guess it's all cool because it's like parallax is the thing. All right, so this right here. Why do you not need it? Why do you not need it? And again, I'll go back, going back to history of animation. You don't need it because there's more subtle ways to explain different things about yourself. So he's an entrepreneur, he's a shark, he's a brand consultant, and he's a speaker. Awesome. Those 4 things could have been like a grid, right? A 2x2 grid. And then you click one and some animation happens. Or even it's just scrolling down. Or it could have been or even a grid of like 1 row, 4 columns. You know what I mean? And then in the background of each of the 4 columns could have been like these photos right here. And then if you're interested, here you go, Geospace. Like, imagine this. Imagine if this was 4 columns, right? Again, this is an old site. Like 4 years ago, this was built. And then 4 years later, we hired the guy who built this. His name's JP, and he's in the brand design team. And look, you click on this, bam! Interactions that tell the story. Interactions that tell the story. One more time. What is it? Interactions that tell the story. And that's why when I first saw this, I was like, I'm in love with whoever made this. And then I got to shake his hand when he got hired at Webflow, and I'm like, I'm such a fan. Anyways. Or just clone this. Damon, clone that. You'll be fine. All right. So again, don't need this. This is the clean. This is clean. That's a clean section. This is clean too. Wait. I am not getting my site done today because I am just... Why is this scrolly? Why? Is this as innocent? I get it. It didn't make sense until realize, I had to think to myself, why are these images, why are they so random? And I'm like, is this his Instagram? And then I looked up, this is Instagram column, this is Twitter column. Okay, I'm done. Cody, thank you. We all learned. All right, let's see here. What did I miss on chat? Tell him I'll fix it for 25% equity in his company. Oh, God. Oh, this one's getting me. If you had the opportunity to build Damon's website, how in the world could you be happy with delivering that as an end product? Well, okay, we can't really blame it on the web designer, okay? In the end, the client gets what the client wants. And if the client is like, I want something parallax scrolling, I want that horizontal scroll, I want this and that and this, and then they become the micromanager of your work to the point where you're not designing, there comes a point when you're like, the person's paying me, whatever. I mean, I think we've all been through this in our careers. And if you haven't, congrats to you, you know, but it happens. There's going to be clients, there's going to be bosses that stay over your shoulder and they're looking at what you're doing and they're like, no, move it that way a little bit. No, move that way. Wait, yeah. Move, no, up, no, down. Okay. Use this font. No, another font. Yeah, I kind of like that. Let's stay there. Then the next day, it's like, yeah, I saw this other site and they're doing this, so I want to do something like, can you just copy that? So that's what it feels like to me. Everything looks disjointed, everything looks broken on that site, and so that's what it feels like to me. All right. Again, I could be wrong. I don't know anything about the history of that site nor who built it. I'm just looking at it as it is. So, yeah. Chris, you're out. Yeah, well, thanks for joining. I'm glad it was funny. And thanks again for the tip on helping people out. Yeah. Have a good night. Any other links that I missed? No? All right. Going back on my own site. Yeah. I get too heated when it comes to websites. That's the thing. I really want websites to be better. And that's why I love Webflow so much, because it gives designers the opportunity to make it better. And I know that I suck as a designer because I didn't start as a graphic designer. But I'm trying to learn as much as I can through my wife, who is a graphic designer. So, trying to get there. Whoa, how long have I been streaming? Oh, already an hour? That's cool. This may go longer than an hour or two. I found my new crew, Webflow 100%. No problem. Graphic Depot. Oh, okay. Wow, dude. All right. I'm going to get real with you. Here we go. It better look good. Ooh. Okay. All right. This was done in Webflow. Oh, wait a minute. This .html. What? This is not. Okay, so this isn't. Okay, I see what you're doing. This isn't Webflow e-commerce. All right. But this is built in Webflow. Got it. All right. So let's take a look. See. Cool. Simple interaction. Helps tell the story. Got it. All right. Oh, interesting. This is your H1? Yes. I like it. Because, like, H1, printing online. That's, like, such a good SEO term. And then it's, like, has never been easier. That's cool. All right. So let's see here. Scrolling down. Wow, that's nice. The detailed, you guys can get that detailed? Or I mean your client can get that detailed? That's nice. All right. You can set these rollovers. I would suggest, let's see here, border bottom 1 pixel transparent. Is it 1 or 2 or 3? How come it jumps up? I'm trying to stop the jump. So what do you do on hover? You border bottom 2. Okay. You do border bottom 2 and then padding bottom 3. What if you just didn't do that? You just did like this. So it doesn't, you know what I mean? Don't have the jump. Just set your none state to have the border bottom. Yeah. That's one thing I would suggest. Let's see here. Do you need a serif here? Because you're not using serifs anywhere else. I don't know. When you're using multiple fonts, it kind of gets too visually busy. Okay. Now I'm just nitpicking. Maybe this vertical align centered with this. Yeah, like everything. I feel like this is competing with this because they're kind of the same font height or font size. Should this be? Good fonts, or I mean, good iconography. I like these. The interaction, I guess, is cool. I mean, I don't not like it, and I don't like it, so it's just like, okay, cool. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, nothing. Oh, wait. Oh, see, now I'm nitpicking. I see it. Yeah. Either make the edges. Can you see? Here, let me scroll down. There, see? Either make the edges of the circle, the corners of this circle, transparent and make it a PNG. Or you can just take this, using the same thing. Image -2. So take that and just do let's see here, border radius 50%, overflow hidden. And so that way, yeah, you crop out the corners. So what I did was border radius 50% and overflow hidden for that image -2. Either than that, I like it. What does these look like? Cool. Nice. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff. Glad you're able to make it work. It's a lot of data. Nice job. Nice job. All right. All right. Hope so. I've been getting advice from Fusion on how to handle clients. Yeah, handling clients. That's something that's still hard for me. Yeah, go to those channels. Don't come to me when it comes to handling clients. That's I've only dropped one client in my freelance career, and but I've been mostly like a full-time in-house designer. But one client that I was helping my wife with, and I was at a web design conference, and she's the type that, okay, just stay on the phone with me, and then we'll just go through each each edit. And then when you're done with the edit, publish it, and then I'll refresh the page. Yeah. And so I did that, and at the end of the night, I was like, yeah, I'm done. I was like, I'm done with this person. I'm done. So I said it as nicely as possible, and I said, thank you so much for your business. It was nice, really. It was nice to help you, but from this point on, you will need to have to find another person to take on this project or any other edits, because I can no longer do this. But thank you so much, and yeah, I hope your business does well. And then she was like confused and said something to the tune of like, wait, don't throw the baby out the window, and I was like, no, I can't. I'm just hurting myself. I'm doing this at night, and it's edit after edit after edit, and it's like so tough to do. Anyways, if it comes to a contract with a client, it must have to get an idea of which client talks to you. There's some red flag, and one is the micromanager. It's not productive. Yeah. Thank you, Martin. Yeah, it's the first time I ever did that, and I always like to help people, but sometimes sometimes people like to take advantage of you, and I don't like that. That's not cool. All right, what do I do here? All I did was this during the stream, and then get mad at websites. Scope creep. Yeah, scope creep. What did I want to do here? Okay, I wanted to do something different with this. Let's cut this chunk out. Boom. All right. Let's do something different. Let's put this here. Yeah, let's go here. Let's do this. I'm gonna make this photo frame, but make it cover the whole. Wait, why is the height so? Oh, there it is. Oh my god, that's weird. Yep, just experimenting now. Trying to see where this goes. Nope. Yeah, we can have a picture of coffee. Yeah. I don't like using percentage, but I guess it'll work. What does this look like? This fills it up. Need to have a gap here then. Let's see here. Nope. Let's add another column. And then press. Did you know? I didn't know this, but did you know you can click on that to make it go to the top? And then, of course, you can change colors. The more you know. Okay, cool. And then let's go ahead and remove all of this so you get a full bleed. Cool. Hey, Peter, what's up? You're not late. Just in time to join the fam. Join the fun. Oh, yeah, Peter is one of the people that have signed, that I still need to talk to get them into the Webflow Community Mods program. So FYI, I'm pushing harder on the Community Mods program. So if you want some awesome perks from Webflow, and you love helping the community, you love talking to the community on forum.webflow.com, hit me up. Send me a DM on Twitter or on the forum. We need around 20 community moderators, and we're at around 10. So if 10 of you want to join up and get some cool perks like a free Webflow Pro account, or access to the Slack channel where the other community mods are, or early access to future features, hit me up. Let's talk. If you want to help, we want to help you. All right, so we got this going, we got this going. Let's throw this there, over there. Okay. There, you're good to go. Cool. I guess I only need one row, huh? Yeah, let's just that. Yeah, doesn't make any sense. Well, I'm gonna leave it here for now. Let's just see where life takes us. All right, so I'm gonna name this homepage content. Let's see where this goes. Oh, the top is bad. Cool. Do you have to be good at Webflow? You need to know the basics of Webflow, but more importantly, you need to be willing to continually learn Webflow on your own and help people on the forums. You know, if people have questions, you can direct them to, if they have basic questions, easy enough, just be like, oh, there's this article on the university. Go, here's a link to it. Or someone already answered the question that someone posted. You're like, oh, I searched this on the forums, because a lot of people don't know how to search on the forum. Here's a link to another forum post that answers your question. So stuff like that. All right. Why, dude, I'm down. Yep. Martin. Peace, man. You leaving? If you are, thank you so much for stopping by. Okay. Here we go. What do I want to do with these? Homepage P. These need to be bigger. I think these need to be way bigger. Too big? Try 18. Okay. Something like this. I think this should be taller. Let's do this on all H1s. I want to make sure that it's either 2 or 3 lines. And I think I have to do the VW trick because it's going to break. I mean, the line breaks. So 7 VW. Oof. There we go. No. Closer? I don't like how that J and that L are hitting each other. Ugh. Like, that's nice. But I feel like it's too small. Well, let's see where this goes. Let's see if, no. I'm gonna push it as far as I can before it breaks. 4? Okay, that's as close as I can get. So 4 point, nope. Yeah, 6. Cool. And let's throw this down a bit. Let's do 0 on that. Throw this down a bit. Oh, we can do like put a line to cover up more space. So what I mean is I'm putting margin and padding on the bottom, and then I'm doing one of these things. It's like subtle. Cool. All right, let's get that. Push it down a bit. 20? Should I do 20? Let's go look at it. Yeah, no, not 20. 30. Okay, if that's 30, then this needs to be further away. Oh, what did it? Okay, yeah. Now it's looking more complete. Oh, yes. Okay. All right, so this side is looking off because this one's thin. So this side needs to be thicker. I think that's... Unless I edit this to be a certain pixel size. So instead of doing fractions, I should do like 50 pixels. So we can do something like that. Oh, I thought that would save. Like if I want it up, I want it up all the time at the top. But it doesn't. Not cool, man. Not cool. So now that I have more space, that means I can throw this up more, huh? I think I need to get some water. Oof, nice. Got it. Cool. BRB. I'm gonna get water. Here's some music. Get some music for you guys. All right, be right back. Okay, I'm back. What's up? Got some water. I was getting kind of dizzy and I was like, oh my god, thirsty. All right. Not product placement, promise. All right, here we go. Question, Vladimir, what exactly do you need that narrow column for? If you want to have both spaces on either side of the text to be similar anyways, for any particular reason. You have a great point. I'm gonna delete it. You're right. You're totally right. You're so right. So I need to fix it. Boom. I was just doing it because I need this gutter. That's what they call it. I need this gutter. But then again, I could have made the gutter myself by doing this. Right? That makes more sense. Actually, and I can like... Yeah, and I can like delete the column and row gap, and there we go. You're so right. All right, there you go. Thank you. Cool, 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 cool. Think we're getting somewhere. Think I can make these bigger. So something like this. And it doesn't fill up the whole thing. Interesting. Should I do VW then? Or do... I don't want... See, this is my call to action right here. I don't think I need another one here. So... Does this mean this whole column right here should be centered like that? Did they change this? Wait. What is it? What does this do? What? I thought I was gonna flip it. That's new to me. Well, that's cool. What's that? What do you... Water? This is beer. And water. Good sparkling water. I guess it looks good. It needs to be crunched in more. Whoa, look at that. Here we go. Okay. Obviously, when I scrunch it down for mobile and stuff, it's totally going to be, like, kind of broken. Oh, wait. No. Fix. Okay. How come I can't... The thing. There it goes. Yeah. So, I'm going to have some scrolling action happening. Not sure that's what I want. So I may have to do VWs on these. That way I can keep it all within the 100% viewport without scrolling. So 2 VW. 1. 175. Do I hear 3? 5. We'll keep it at 1.5. Nope. Nope. Do I hear a 2.5 on the line height? Yes. We'll keep it that way. And then these right here, 10, this doesn't make sense anymore. So it should be like 1 VW. Okay, 1.25. Cool. Do we have scrolling action happening? No, but I don't have a bottom thingamabob. The bottom gap right here. Because I want this to look like a card. So that's what's going on here, huh? That's what we're doing. Let's just go 1, see what happens. Yeah, you can kind of see the gap, but not really. All right. Two. Let's try that. No! Man, oh man. What is this? There's this little pixel down here. What is that? stretch. Ugh. You're killing me, Smalls. Something's happening there, and I don't know what. Figure out that later. Still feels small to me. 0.35. Alright, that's fine. Alright, I'm happy with that. Yeah. Does Webflow e-commerce show Webflow links in emails when someone orders a product? Yes. At the very bottom. Oh, I didn't turn it into a... Here, let's do this. Where's the settings? Ah, email. Cool. Yeah, at the very bottom, right here, it'll say powered by Webflow. That's the only thing. And I think Shopify and other companies, they already do that as well. But if you want to remove that, we have a new pricing page that the marketing team did. Hopefully it makes things much easier to understand. But for e-commerce plans, to remove that email, you need a plus or the advanced. All right, there you go. All right. All right. I think that's good. What do you guys think? The gap, though. The gap. How do I fix the gap? I want the gap to be... Alright, can I set this to like 50 pixels? And that forces it? Will it force it? It does. But what happened to you? What happened to you? Okay, this is something I realized a while ago. I was like, why do I need two? I just need one, and I can just throw this down like this. Anyway, what? Why is grid being a grid? Why are you doing the things? I don't like when you do those things. No, help me. That's not cool. Alright, that's cool. But that's too far. Okay, that's cool. But you all need to go down here. Ooh, okay. Ah, I lost it again. Why? Yeah, I need to learn this grid. I need to learn it. Like, if I set a height, I feel like I'm cheating if I go like this. Oh, I feel like I'm cheating, but it works. Don't tell the Webflow guys about this, okay? Don't tell them I'm using a set height. Ugh. Question: when we'll be able to use grids with CMS collections list? Oh, I wish I knew. That's like one of the things I know the team is working on, and we've explained it on our blog posts, I think. Let's see here. Blog. Search. Grid. There we go. The very bottom, we put, yeah, right here. Support for grid. It's something that we're still working on, but it'll kind of look like this. Oh, even that even that UI right here is old. Yeah, so coming soon. Why would that be cheating? I don't know, because like I want the boxes to work and I feel like I'm doing something wrong. How often do you go live? I don't want to miss any sessions. I go live 24. No. It's now being like randomly, just to make sure that I still have time with my family. But it used to be every other day, around 9:30 p.m. Pacific. But I'll try to, keep a better cadence to my streams. But again, no promises because family first. All right, so I have this, and I feel like I'm good with this. Now let's get on to the responsiveness. Oh boy. Okay. All right. Where's my book? So I wanted to do a thing where mobile looks like this. So let's do some mobile menu action. All right, so the mobile menu is going to go on top of everything. It's going to be fixed. Let's go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and bring in a div block. I'm going to call this mobile menu fixed to the bottom. That's top to the bottom. Z-index like a lot. And let's go ahead and put something inside of it. So this is going to be my actual little trigger thing that shows up. I shouldn't be using a half circle since there's no circles in my brand anymore. Everything's sharp. Oh, can't see my screen. Thank you. Greetings from Atlanta. It's almost 2 a.m. Why are you awake? Go to sleep. It's Friday. But thank you for being here, G-Type. But I suggest you sleep. Sleep. You can watch the rerun of this. You could totally watch it later. Let's see here. I guess I can use a floating action square. Let's call this mobile menu trigger. And again, don't look to me for naming conventions. Look to Micah. He has a good article on it. 75. Isn't the UX or the trick to have what is it? What's the minimum size of a hit area for thumbs? It's like 75 pixels, or is it 50? I don't know. We'll use like color, that one. We'll set this 75. Yeah, that's what I thought. Cool. Right there. And let's go ahead and... So I'm going to copy this icon and place it here. Nice. Center that. Make it white. Cool. Cool. Right. So there we go. There's my mobile. And then I would have to change this to an X, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna have to change to X. I may do some sort of crazy interaction with that. But for now, let's go ahead and make the mobile menu. All right, so let's go ahead and put another div under it, and this is where my grid is gonna be. This is gonna be mobile nav grid, and we're gonna do 8. So 1, 2, and there we go. Dunskies. Wait, hold on. It can save the color that I want, but it can't save the position? Gonna have to report this. Yeah. Okay, moving on. Okay, I'm gonna copy the same color. And then let's go ahead and move this away a bit. Say like 20. Cool. There are nice clonable burgers from... Oh, ooh, yes, cloning. Let's clone some stuff. Alright. So which one do I want? I think that one. What? Are there any other ones? No, just those? Showcase search Webflow. Oh, there it is. Okay. Menu. Nope, not that one. Let me put hamburger. And if you don't know this site yet, I suggest you use it. For some reason, when I try and use grid, it never has a height. You can set the, you have to set the height or put elements inside of it. No. That one's cool. There's this gap here. You need to totally use flexbox, not columns. That's cute. I kind of like that one. Or is it too slow? Alright, I'm gonna go back to that Oakland, to Tom's. Oh, and Tom, yeah. This is Tom's, yeah. I think this guy's name is Tom. Yeah, he actually joined our community mod program. See, when you give, you get back. You get back a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna clone this. Burgers. And so all I gotta do is, wait a minute. So I have to copy, what do I have to copy? I have to copy this whole thing. All right, I'll copy it. And then let's delete this, paste it. That's so cool. Look at that. Oh, cross-site copy paste. You're awesome. Oh, what happened? Oh, because this has okay. Easy enough. Just wrap it again. Let's see, mobile menu trigger. And this burger right here. Let's go ahead and edit the colors and whatnot. Let's do that. And oh, these bars, they need to be white. If you haven't tried cross-site copy paste, you just saw it right then and there. It's like magical. And then you just do whatever you want with it because they're just elements. It saves so much time. Wait, where's it coming from? How come it's orange? From Burger 1. Well, this is Burger 1. That's so weird. 0. No box shadow. Delete it. Okay, we should be good now. Okay, okay. Let's make this 75. Okay. Feeling good? Nice. Yeah, it copies the styles and it copies the interaction. So you don't need to do things. Look at that. It already has it. Ah. Like, how did the team do it? I don't know. Magicians. They're just magicians. All right. I'm going to stream for about, let's see here. About probably like 30 more minutes. Getting tired. But let's see if we can finish this up. Yeah? Yeah. Let's get some font awesome. Icons. Alright, let me see if I can upload. Hold on. What? Oh, okay. I need to upload. So what I learned is you only need the WAF 2. You don't need all of them. So I'm gonna do. Should I do solid? I think I should do solid. Solid WAF. Water beer. It's water. It's not beer. It's LaCroix. Ooh. When did you get... Oh. Okay. It's because I dragged in new elements into the page. And so, yeah. Boom. Gone. There you are. Alrighty then. Let's get some link blockage going. Okay, so we got that. This is going to be called mobile link. Let's make sure that there's no underline. We're going to make it white for now. And we're going to center all the things. Okay. And then we're going to set the font to FA Solid. Nice. All right. So, which one was I? Oh, okay. Okay. This is what I wanted. All right. So the free version, solid, and I'm looking for, what am I looking for? For vlog. Okay, cool. So vlog is video. So cool. Copy that. Put text. Paste. Boom. Easy as pie in there. Nothing pasted. Oh, okay. There was a trick. Who said it? Peter said it. Let me scroll up. So Peter said you can click on an element and then press and hold Alt and drag the copy. So press and hold Alt, click and drag. Click, press, hold. So I'm holding Alt, click and drag. Alt, click, and drag. Alt, click, and drag. So cool. So cool. All right. Easy. Vlog. Rambles. Okay, so this one I need, like, paper. Wait. Free, solid. Paper. Toilet paper. Huh. Would that be funny? If, like, my rambles were, like, toilet paper? Yes. Because where else do you think, right? Where else do you do that real hard thinking? All right. What's next? Then we got rambles, projects. Projects would be computer. Or would it be laptop? Wait, why did it say Halloween? Is that why? So Halloween is... Okay, whatever. Laptop. Nothing found? Nothing for... Is it because I have to do Pro? What? No computer? PC? Oh, it's because I have all these other ones. Jeez. Okay, there we go. Wait, this is a free one, right? It has to be free. I mean, come on. Yay, it is. And then, what was I going to do for the last one? Projects. I guess this homepage is about, so maybe I should move them all one spot. About would just go to the home page. Where's the contact? Am I supposed to have a contact page? But just people can just contact me through here. I gotta figure out why I have 8. Why did I tell myself put 8? I guess I'll just put person. Person. Free. Solid. Okay. That one. Okay. Cool. All right. And then I'm just going to take these. I can't get you. I can't get you. I'll just copy. Copy. What? YouTube. Why is this glyph broken? But yet these aren't. That doesn't make any sense. Mobile link, FA. Oh, because this is solid. All right. My bad. Call this social. Oh, can I do social link? Ugh. Mobile social link. So that way I can change it to FA brands. There we go. I was using the wrong font. Oh. Delete, delete. Can't stick around, but I want to just thank you for all your work. I know Webflow in big part thanks to your awesome George. Oh, thank you for joining us, George, and have a good night. Yeah, I really want to get this done soon. Like I keep telling myself, I'm gonna finish my site because it doesn't make sense that if you're giving feedback to sites and you don't have a site yourself, it kind of lose credibility, you know what I mean? So I'm like, I gotta walk the walk. Because I can talk it, but can I walk it? And does this make any sense? I don't know. It made sense in my mind when I drew it. And I was like, that's so cool. Maybe it's because it's getting late. I'm getting late? Oh, God. Yeah, it's getting late. I think 2 hours is my streaming threshold. Oof. But I like what we've done so far. Progress. Much progress. Here it is again. Desktop looks good. I'm liking it. The headshot works, and then breaking into the headshot is this guy, which makes sense because that pops out, but it doesn't. Yeah, so let's do a UX review right here from my own perspective, which is of course biased, right? But First thing is, what's my story? Boom, right then and there. What's my story? You want to read more into my story? There you go. You're not interested in reading that text? I totally get it, but this story is about this face. This face is about this story, so it works together. Okay? The nav bar is super simple, but different in that people look in F formation, and so people look here first, then go here, look here again, go down, and then look here. So the first thing people are going to see are either this or this, so people don't get lost. You always want to put a face or some sort of thing that explains your story, okay, when it comes to photography. And then lastly, where do people go to learn more about you, or where do you want to direct them to? And this is my call to action, and it's not in your face, but it's still sticking out like a sore thumb, but not to the point where it's like it looks ugly. So there's my very biased review, but there we go. It looks different. That's what I'm trying to go for. And then when it comes to mobile, looks like crap, but we'll get to it. Yeah. Steven says I need to finish my portfolio. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough. I need a new song. Let's see here. Latest tracks. Let's just play something random. Wait, how come? Hold on. Browser audio. Copy. Okay, let me go desktop. Paste. Okay. Okay, whatever. Let's see here. What's this? This is too slow. What? Get it. I'm not gonna try to rhyme. No, that's not this. This is not what this stream's all about. But it's a nice beat. What? No, seriously, what? Oh, God, I'm old. Anyways, thank you all for being here. It was fun streaming with you guys. I like answering your questions. Let's do this more. Answering your questions and whatnot about Webflow. Thanks again to Chris Cannon for the idea. Thank you all for being part of the stream. If you're just watching a recording, hey, I stream when I can. Just follow me on Twitter. I usually tell people when I'm about to stream, but tonight I just did a surprise one. I'm just gonna hit record. I'm gonna work on my site, and if anyone wants to watch, they can watch. And sure enough, hashtag Bell Squad was here. So thank you guys so much for your continued support. If you want to follow me on Twitter, it's at the Pixel Geek. You want to hit subscribe for this YouTube channel, please do so. It would be awesome. And don't forget to tickle that notification bell. Oh, I'm tired. Notification bell. Anyways, thank you so much. And as always, make the web beautiful. See ya.
We got time, but no money. But there ain't nobody stopping us. We got bills.